Video, you are going to learn the difference between limit orders and market orders. Some of you have been struggling to enter trades. You tell me that you enter a trade and it will go to open orders. So limit orders, you are simply telling Binance or KuCoin that you want to enter the market at a specific price. So let's say if Bitcoin is 25,000, you want to enter at 20,000. That's a limit order. But with a market order, you just enter it at 25,000. I'm going to demonstrate for you to understand, so make sure you watch the video from start to finish. And at the end, if you have any questions, you can comment down below or click the first link in the video description, join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. I'm just going to dive into my PC and show you how to make a lot of money with limit orders and market. So I'm just going to explain and demonstrate so that you understand it very well. Okay, so when we talk of limit orders, we are simply saying that we want to enter the market at a specific price. We want to enter the trade at a specific price. Looking at this trade right now, if you are going to trade it, it won't be good because it's still in the ranges. We have the resistance here, the support here. You can see like when the price reaches here, it came down to this side, went back up, come down again. So these lines that I've drawn, they are the support and resistance. The down one being the support level, the top one being the resistance. So if we are going to enter a trade, we will either go for a short position, like we are either going to sell and take profit around here, around the down one, the support button. But we can still make it, we can still say like this pair is going to come down. So what we can only anticipate is wait for it to rise to this place, then we'll sell it, or we wait for it to come to the support level, then we buy it back. So this is where the limit orders comes in. Right now, the current price of ALGO, yesterday we took that trade, it didn't really go that well. We went for a short position and it went up. So the current price is 0.0967. That's the current price of this pair. Let's say we want to enter a market order. When we click on market order, we are going to enter at a specific price at this particular place at the 0.0967. But if we are going to enter a limit order, limit orders are good. They are very good. If you are someone that you are trading price action, I will always advise you trade limit orders, or that's it, you only trade limit orders. Because let's say right now, I was telling you guys that if you have been reading the PDFs, you know that what I'm telling you is true and it works every time you take it. The price was here, then went to the support level, couldn't make it up, came down again, went to the support level, couldn't make it up, came down again, went again. You guys see it? So as a smart person, you are supposed to take a limit order. You are supposed to place a sell limit here, 0.100. So this is what I'm talking about. If you are going to enter this trade, you are supposed to put a sell limit here. So you are going to tell Binance or Bybit that if this pair reaches 0.1002, you are going to enter the market and they should sell for you. They should enter a short position for you. You can also put a buy limit here, telling Binance or KuCoin or BitGet that if the price falls to 0.0910, you are going to enter the market. That's a limit order. So limit order means you are simply saying that if the price reaches here, I want to enter the market. If the price reaches here, I want to trade. If the price reaches here, I want to enter. You guys get me? But with a market order, you are going to enter at that particular moment. So if Bitcoin is 20,000 and you are going to use market order, you enter at 20,000. But if you are going to use limit orders and Bitcoin is 20,000, you can say like, oh, if Bitcoin rises to 25,000, I want to enter a sell limit, or I want to enter a limit order. Sell limit means you are going to sell if the market rises and hit the resistance zone. So that's the meaning of this thing, okay? So let's demonstrate it. Make sure you follow me on Binance feed, where I share my trades with my students. So you can follow me on Binance feed. Every day I make sure that I give people free trading signals so that they can also copy and paste to make money.
So I'm going to demonstrate it with my friend's account. Just follow my instruction here. So right now we have Bitcoin to be 26,200. If we are going to enter a limit order, we should wait. When Bitcoin comes to 26,000, then we enter a buy limit. We enter a buy limit. But before you even enter the trade, looking at this chart right now, you can see like Bitcoin was not able to rise and break the resistance zone. So that means it's still in a downtrend. As a smart person, we are supposed to be selling. Look at the pin bars here. If you have been reading the PDFs that I sent to you, you know what I'm talking about is true. So it rises to about $26,400. Couldn't make it above with a pin hammer inverted one, and now it's trying to create a downtrend again. Each time Bitcoin is going to pump, it will consolidate for about 2 to 3 times, 2 to 3 days or 4 days before it will pump. So as a smart individual, you are not supposed to enter the trade here because it's very risky. It can still go up or it can just draw to the downside. So what we want to do is we'll enter a limit order at 25,600. This is the next support level. So we'll enter a limit order here, and if Bitcoin fall to this place, then we can ride it to the top side. So what we are going to do is we'll bring our price prediction to, then we'll put it around here. So this will be our entry. Our entry will be the orange line. Then our stop loss will be around the next $25,300. Then our take profit will now be at the nearest resistance zone. So this is 1:4 or 1:3.5 risk to reward ratio, which is very good. So we reduce the thing here. Now we are going to enter the trade. Remember, I told you guys, limit orders, you are simply entering the market at a specific price. You are going to wait when the price reaches that place, then you enter. So we'll go to our order box. So here is the order book containing the sellers and buyers. Then the order box contains the where you enter the market, whether you want to use limit order, market order, stop limit. Okay, so what we want to do is we'll click limit orders here. So when we click on limit orders, now they will ask us for price where we want to enter the market. And remember, our support level is $25,631. So we are supposed to enter $25,631 here. So we have $25,631. Okay, then we have the size. So the size is the quantity that you are going to invest on the trade. The quantity that you are going to invest. So me, I usually go for 10% of my account balance. Okay, so let's say we have used 12%, that's $5.36. We are trying to grow this account. So what we want to do is we have added our cost, that is the margin that we are investing. Then I'll take profit. So our take profit will be around $26,500. So we have $26,500. Then our stop loss is where the red line is, this red place. If the market falls below here, we are going to close the trade. So our stop loss is around $25,336. So we have our stop loss to be $25,336. Then we'll enter a buy limit. We enter a buy limit order. So when we enter a buy limit order, it will surely appear at the limit orders. You see right now, we currently have only 4 positions. We only have 4 positions on these 3 positions here. But because we are using limit orders, it will be at the open orders. So you can see now that we have the limit order, buy limit order here. So if Bitcoin price falls to $25,631, Binance is going to open the trade for us. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.